Too much corrosion. All right, this is it. All right, old friend, let's see what's in. All right, that's secure. Almost done. All right, Rusty, gears packed. Let's head out. Bark! Yes, this is it. It's thick enough. All right, old girl, let's see what you're hiding. Whimper. Almost through it, boy. Almost there. Just a little more. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Got it. Hey, good dog. Too much corrosion. This won't hold.
More iron down there, boy. Be careful. Rough?
I think I found something. All right, just a little further. Is that it? These look solid. Yes, this is it. It's much stronger than the others. Arf. All right, this is it.
Is this the one, Master?
Yes, this looks strong. Strong enough to rebuild. Time to get this home, boy. Rough. All right, old friend, let's see what's in here.
Sniff, sniff.
Watch your step. Interesting. These sheets could be useful. Almost there, pup. Just a little further. Woof, woof. Come on, boy, let's go. Woof. Time to rest, boy. Thanks, good boy. Just a little drink. All right, armor plate first. This might be a tight fit. Just right. Mark it now. All right, that's secure. Now to check the alignment. Whimper. Almost done. Let's see how this moves.
Perfect.
Perfect. Just one more bolt.